Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, here we go again. Another classic car show over at Pateley Bridge near Harrogate. So I'm gonna, you know the score by now, we're just gonna have a flaunch around, or even a flaunch around, and have a look at some cars. Right, let's get on with it. So this is what it looks like over here at Pateley Bridge. Beautiful North Yorkshire, God's country. Right guys, MGs, it's full of MGs here. That's nice with the hard top there. City of Leeds, this little area, MG Club. That's nice. Check this one out, guys. Jaguar SS. That's nice. That's pretty cool. That's the V8 one. They sound really nice. Mine 1,000 for the traveller. All these estate ones travellers, don't they? There's your Mark 2 Jack. It's a nice combination, red interior. Nice colour. I'll just give you a good view round here at Pateley Bridge. Well, the rain stopped and it's turning out to be a really nice day, not like Ripon last week where it was too hot. It was just too hot. I don't like the heat. Anyway, guys and girls, if you're ever down on the North Yorkshire coast, Saltburn by the beautiful sea, you can see Huncliffe right behind me, probably one of the best surfing spots in England. Get yourself to Saltburn Surf Shop. Sell everything you need. Hire boards, kayaks. They sell new surfboards, wetsuits, gloves. So yeah, get yourself down there. Check it out. Right. This is a nice classic Range Rover. You know I'm a big fan of these. When the Range Rovers were cool. Now they're just full of problems. Yeah, I really like these. Just cool. That's a cool Range Rover. For your 500s. Launching into the Cobras. That's nice.
Wow, Mia.
Check that out.
Isn't that nice?
Not touch the sides because we've polished them.
Cool.
It's not a garage princess.
really like the colour of this car. Check this out, guys. Lovely.
I've got all in the car here now.
Balloons represent. Yes, don't we know it? Life is too short. So if you got it, spend it.
Oh, no, don't go the way up like. No, no.
Yes.
Mine and yours are in the back.
So we've got the MG Owners Club here, sponsored by Adrian Flux. Ooh, look, it's the Stag.
A few weeks back,
It's the Cool Capri.
and brakes were very poor. And I could feel them minded, you know.
It's a Bentley. That's cool when it's supercharged.
It was incomplete. It was really interesting because it was incomplete when the factory went, but it didn't have an engine. But everything else was all one car. Yeah.
2 Jag, that's pretty cool. That's an Austin. Looks like a Land Rover. That's cool. GT6. Just had to turn up. There's that gorgeous Mini. Oh, that's nice what you've done there. Yep, you've got the... They're a really good idea, these fuel pressure regulators. I put one on my Stag.
Yeah.
Yeah, check that out, guys. Very nice. Have a look at the interior. Oh, how that door opens as well. It doesn't go, it doesn't drop down like most of them. Yes, right colour scheme this. Oh, how that door shuts. Very nice. I still really like these cars, the XGS. I've had 7 of them in the past. I think that's the 4 litre one. And it's got the right interior, which is black. They're a cool looking car and they're coming into their own now. The GT6. It's a nice neck. That's pretty cool.
Now it's the old lads. Looking at cars and stuff. I mean, twice a day, 2 or 3 times a day, contact me with a picture of it.
Yeah.
Plus. I had one of these when I was working for someone in the 90s. Cortina Mark V. Now they're arguing to see which class they're in, which is all banter. It's quite funny. But this is a labour of love in here. Check that out, guys.
No, I'm just telling everyone this year after last year's palaver.
Cool. So yeah, this is like a big MG meet. Everybody's welcome. It's nice. Shoe on that V8 in there.
That's why they have a big on it, don't they?
Yeah, cool. It's the one they have, the V8.
What model is that? They didn't use it.
That's nice. No, that's cool. Yes, cool. Mark 2, that's nice.
We've had an article of lost property already. This is one of the earliest pieces of lost property I think we've had in many years.
That's good. I always like to put cane and air filters on mine.
With a Persimmon key ring on it. If anybody has lost it, could they go to the bookstall to reclaim it, please?
G Maestros. They're getting quite rare now because there were rust buckets back in the day. These sound really nice with the V8. A shoe on that in there, 3.9. It's got a nice deep burble.
Alright with that, thanks very much.
There's another one. Nice colour that. So that's a woodcut green apparently. It has like a gold flake in it. I love the colour of that, it's pretty cool. Cool. So yeah, this is a big MG meet, but like I said, everybody is welcome at this show. Pateley Bridge. These are nice. Some really nice condition, this MGB. Check that out, guys. Nice oil cooler at the front of the car. Keep her nice and cool. All about the MGs today. And then if we just flaunch over here, we've got a brass band just about to play. Wood-fired pizza. I know where I'm going to get my pizza from. Yeah, check this wood-fired pizza, guys, out. The pizzas are delicious. Check these out, guys. Pizza's delicious. Oh, Toyota Celica. Look at that. Used to have one of them. It's got look at the handbrake on it. Yeah, blast from the past. Check this out, guys. It's 3 litres and CSL. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Really nice condition. Get around this as quick as we can before he starts chuntering away. Right, guys, as I'm flaunching around this beautiful classic car show, I've come across the Harrogate Cat Rescue that make delicious, delicious cakes. Absolutely beautiful. Do you want to give everyone a wave, girls? Yay. There you go. How about that? Right, I'm with the winner of the concourse for the MGB V8. I'm with Nigel Shepherd here. He's going to tell you a bit more about the car.
Well, this MGB GT V8
And we
I
move
bought
on
earlier
to
this
the
year,
MGC
and it was restored
and MGA
by a man called Tim
concourse.
Kelly down in Cornwall. And it is in perfect condition.
James
I did not
Anderson,
expect to win this
630
prize today, so I'm very chuffed
YRW.
indeed. It's done 82,000 miles, but the engine's been and gearbox have been rebuilt. 3.5 litre V8 with overdrive, and it's a lot of fun burbling along the country lanes, clicking in and out of overdrive, and it has a sunroof, so it's the best of both worlds really. Not a full convertible, but the sunroof makes a big difference. It's a wonderful car, and I don't think I'll ever sell it.
Well, guys, he's just won another one. Unbelievable. There he is accepting his award.
The next is for the MGC, and the winner of this is Stephen Walker, BYV 9278.
Right, guys, that's the end of the show. It's been a fantastic day here over at Pateley Bridge near Harrogate. So yeah, we're in God's country and it's been a beautiful day. So next video I'm going to be doing is on the Sunbeam Alpine. I'm going to be doing the front brake, so look out for that one. So on that note, seeds above it all.